Category 5, number 6. The number of stores opened by a coffee company can be modeled by the exponential function graphed on the grid, where x is the number of years since 1992. Based on the graph, which statement does not appear to be true? So if we are talking about the number of years since 1992, we are talking about the fact that 1 year since 1992 is what year? Well, that would be 1993. So 0 years since 1992, this is actually 1992. So F says the coffee company had opened 400 stores by the end of 1992. So here's 1992, and looks like we have 400 stores. So that appears to be true. The coffee company opened 100 stores in 1 year. So 1 year later, 1993, it looks like right here, it looks like we're at 500 stores, which is 100 more than 400. So that one appears to also be true. Every year, the number of stores the coffee company opened increased by 25%. So is 100, because 100 is the increase from 400, is 100 25% of 400? Well, let's see. What is 25%? Oh, let me get a calculator first. What is 25% of 400? 100. So that's definitely true for the first year. So let's see about the second year. So the second year, that's not a lattice point. No. It's kind of hard to tell. But if we took that 500 and we took 25% of that, that's going to be 125 added. So 125 plus the 500 we were at 1 year is 625. So does it look like it's about 625 right here? And yes, it does. It looks like it's about 625 right there. So that seems to be holding true so far. I could test a few more. I could say, okay, so 625, let's see, 625 times 25%, and convert to a decimal. So that's about 156 stores added to the 625 we already had, which would be about 781 stores. So does it look like we have that over here? So after 3 years, it looks like we are very close to 800. So it looks like that 781 is pretty close. So it looks to be holding true that every year the number of stores the coffee company opens increases by 25%. And then Jay says since 1992, the coffee company has opened 250 stores each year. Well, that's just not true for the first year where it was 100, or for the second year where they increased by 125. Or even the third year, where they increased by 156 stores. So far, we haven't seen an increase of 250 stores at all, and this would be a linear relationship where it increased by 250 every time, like we would add 250 every time instead of multiply by 25% and then adding that on to the previous number. So it looks like our answer is J.